Watch this.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I went ahead and waxed this piece with DIY brown wax actually. But what I want to show you is this. So if you don't have one of these and you like to buff your wax to a nice shine, this is a great thing to get. You can use it on a drill or you can just use it by hand. I do it both ways. But today I'm going to show you the drill. So you go ahead and tighten that guy up on there and just watch the color change. So you can see it's like a dull color now and we're going to make it a little shinier.
Watch this. Watch this.
So you can see definitely the difference between here and
Watch this.
here. Very dull, very not dull. Nice and smooth, not as smooth. So anyways, this works really well with DIY's wax, and this is clay paint that's underneath there. So just want to show you guys that quick little tip, okay? Bye-bye.